Hello guys, today I've got Redmi Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you why are your earbuds so quiet. So actually there are many reasons behind that, but the first thing that comes to my mind is that they may just be discharged. So try to charge your earbuds up to 100%. This should take around 60 minutes. Of course, depending on your charger, depending on the conditions, like for example, if you're charging it under a pillow or something like that, don't do it, please. But it should take something around 60 minutes. Then you should be able to use them without being so quiet. If you still feel that they are very quiet, you need to take a look at your phone. Try switching applications. Like if you were using Spotify till now, try using YouTube or YouTube Music or Apple Music or Tidal or just any other application that may not have this issue. If you see that this issue is only occurring on the application you use, it may be some update issue and you need to update your application to the latest version, or just wait for the update and report the bug. If you feel that this issue that your earbuds are so quiet appears everywhere, you need to perform a factory reset or before the factory reset you can try connecting your earbuds to a different phone and checking if they are that quiet on some other phone. If they are not quiet at all and they behave normally, your phone is the issue. If they still are quiet, you need to perform this factory reset. And how to perform a factory reset? Open the case lid and here hold this button right here for 10 seconds. That should be it. Goodbye.